So let's take a look at what happened in crypto today. This is your crypto news, and I'm cryptoFOXXY. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. If you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also like this video. I do appreciate your support. So let's get into our video here. We're talking about the crypto news today and kind of mainly what happened a little bit over the weekend as well. So the Trump administration advisor discloses regular meetings with Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. We also have Argentina's President Milei. He is facing significant pushback and potentially an impeachment over his role in a rug pull. And a prominent Bitcoin analyst claimed he moved all of his Bitcoin into spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, which is weird, but whatever. We're going to talk about that as well. So Kevin Hassett is the director of National Economic Council, which is a White House advisory board to President Trump. And he says he's meeting regularly with Fed Chair Jerome Powell. We know Powell is very old school in terms of monetary policy, and we know that him and Trump don't see eye to eye in terms of the way interest rates are being handled. Trump wants the interest rates to be lowered, while Fed Chair Powell says he's not in a rush, right? And I didn't know this, but apparently, when Trump says he wants rates to drop, obviously it's going to, you know, have a positive impact on the economy, but lower the federal government's annual interest payments on the $36 trillion debt that they owe as well. So that does make a ton of sense in my opinion. I didn't realize it. I guess I didn't think about it that way, but it lowers the interest payments. So Chair Powell recently told the Senate Banking Committee that he is not in a rush to lower interest rates. But Trump is pushing for that, and I don't think that Powell will give in. I think he's very, very old school in that regard, where he believes that they're the ones that are going to control any interest rate decisions in the banks. So lower interest rates are a positive catalyst for crypto because people are more apt to have extra funds and maybe invest in riskier assets as well. So that is something that I know the crypto market's definitely waiting for. So let's get on to the Argentine President Milei. He is risking impeachment because he endorsed a cryptocurrency project that basically looks like a rug pull. Analysts are calling it a massive insider scam. The Libra token started its rally on February the 14th on Valentine's Day. Shortly after, he posted about the project on X. We can see it right here. This is his post. Liberal Argentina grows. This private project will be dedicated to encouraging the growth of Argentine economy by funding small Argentine businesses and startups. So he was claiming that this is going to help their economy, and the world wants to invest in Argentina. Basically what he said, and he shared the contract address as well. And so this immediately rose to about $4.5 billion at about 10:30 p.m. UTC, and then it fell 94% to a 257 million market cap in just 11 hours. So that looks like a rug pull, and he is taking a lot of heat for that. He had since removed this post, and now he's facing a ton of political pressure, also impeachment threats, I guess you could say. And this case, it could be a rug pull, so it's not looking very good. The scandal embarrasses us on an international scale. This is basically what the FinTech Chamber has acknowledged this. So the opposition lawmaker has said this actually, is this embarrasses us on an international scale. So no doubt, I mean, rug pull is not a good look. It is not a good look for them to be launching, meme coins, even though they said that it was going to have utility. Did it really? Did they show this utility? I kind of don't think so. I think that this was an insider job. They actually gave tokens to some influencers and told them not to disclose that they were paid. So that is very sketchy right there. Now we also have an analyst named Plan B. I used to follow Plan B on X, and he revealed that he's moved all his Bitcoin from self-custody into spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. Right? Weird. I don't know why you would do this. It kind of goes against what everything Bitcoin stands for. But he says it's to manage his holdings more like equities and bonds without the complexities of self-custody. I really don't know how much easier you can get than self-custody. Really all you have to do is make sure that you keep it as a cold wallet. It doesn't, don't transfer to, or don't use it to, connect to any websites or anything, to and basically transfer to and from centralized exchanges if you're wanting to move your funds. That's pretty much it. And really, now you're you're at the mercy of the whoever you're going with for custody. You're hoping that nothing happens to them, right? This doesn't make any sense to me, but I guess it is what it is. He says, not having to hassle with keys gives me peace of mind. I don't know. I have quite a few wallets and I don't really have a hard time managing my keys, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think ETFs are safer? I just don't see it, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. As long as you have a very safe way of managing your crypto, managing your keys, I really don't see how that would be, any safer. That's like keeping your money in cash, at home, or keeping your money in a bank. There's always a risk when there's a third party. That's just my opinion, I guess. I'm not, I guess I just don't see it. But let me know what your thoughts are down below. I'm really interested in hearing them. And that's what I got for your crypto news today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.